Hello everyone. I am Saurabh Shashidharan, working as Customer Success Manager for ARC Advisory Group India. In this session, I'll be joining again with Mr. Siddhartha to discuss on his second published study, which is Human Machine Interface Software or HMI software. As mentioned in my previous video, we will cover the context like scope of the market, supply landscape, key factors, strategies, etc. So let me welcome Siddhartha. Hi Siddharth.
Hi, Saurabh. Hello, everyone.
So, Siddharth, my first question to you will be, what is the scope of this market analysis report?
So, this ARC study focuses on the HMI software and services that are used in industrial applications. So, the software market study offers comprehensive insights into various geographic regions, industries, and machineries. It also covers the different operating systems like Microsoft operating systems, deployment models, and types of services.
Thank you, Siddharth, for the briefing. My second question will be to know what is the supplier landscape for this market.
There are several suppliers operating in this market landscape, such as ARC Informatic, Aviva, Copa Data, Door, General Electric, Inductive Automation, Mitsubishi Electric, Rockwell Automation, and Siemens, to name a few.
Good to hear about some prominent suppliers from your study. Siddharth, my third question to you will be like, do you want to explain about the growth factors of this report?
Sure, Saurabh. So, one notable growth factor for the HMI software market is the digitization of plant and production facilities. So, HMI software is essential for digitizing industries, enabling real-time data visualization as well as representation. The HMI software also helps meet manufacturing organization demands, such as accessing or monitoring real-time data from remote locations. Some other major factors include the need for edge devices and transforming HMIs from machine control to central visualization systems. So these factors have been driving and will continue to drive the market in the coming years.
Right, right. Siddharth, do you want to discuss about the inhibiting factors too?
Certainly, there are few growth inhibiting factors that impede the market growth and development. One such factor is the geopolitical turmoil. So, in 2023, geopolitical turmoil, including the war in Ukraine and the rising US-China tensions, have disrupted the global supply chains and increased the energy costs, which has led to reduced margins for automation and software suppliers. So companies faced higher operational expenses and market uncertainty at the same time, which prompted them to re-evaluate their strategies, and there was a need for agile, resilient solutions to maintain profitability in a very competitive sector. Other key inhibiting factors include supply chain disruptions, security concerns, etc.
Thank you, Siddharth, for briefing both the factors. My next question to you is like, do you want to recommend any strategies to the buyers of the system?
Sure, Saurabh. So after the purchase, users often spend significant time configuring the HMI software for their operations. So to optimize the operator performance, it's essential to choose an HMI software which with robust development tools based on an open, scalable platform. So these tools empower users to control, track, display, and analyze the data efficiently.
Thank you, Siddharth. Do you want to add any more points or trends to this?
One major trend which every HMI software supplier in the market is talking about is the impact of generative AI, or as we know it as Gen AI. It is revolutionizing the HMI software by making operator interactions with machines more intuitive through natural language processing, gesture recognition, and real-time data analysis. This enhances user experience and operational efficiency by simplifying the workflows and reducing cognitive load. So, major suppliers are actually integrating Gen AI into their HMI products to tackle workforce shortages and create more adaptable systems. So, as Gen AI adoption in HMI grows, it is expected to drive innovation and boost productivity across various industrial sectors. Other key trends include the rising Linux adoption driven by containerization trends and the expected rapid adoption of Server 2025.
Indeed, Siddharth, Gen AI is actually the hot topic of this time. Good to hear about that. My last question to you will be like, how can buyer of the study be benefited, like the suppliers, asset owners, or service provider? Can you explain that too?
Buyers of this HMI software market study can benefit from a detailed analysis of key trends, um, technological advancements, and market forecasts that provide them a competitive edge in terms of decision making. So, by understanding industry specific applications and segmentations, the various stakeholders can identify growth opportunities, mitigate risks, and make informed decisions about investments. So, the study also offers valuable insights to how HMI software can drive operational efficiency, enhance the user experience, and foster innovation. Additionally, it also helps both the end users as well as the service providers optimize their strategies for market penetration, improve system integration, and also align themselves with the evolving industry standards, which leads to improved long term profitability and sustainable growth.
Thank you, Siddharth. Thank you so much for addressing all the queries related to the study HMI software. Your insight will definitely give a clear picture to our customer regarding the study. To our audience, for additional information, I would request you to visit www.arcweb.com. You can also use the contact form to reach to us directly. Once again, thank you, Siddharth, and thanks to the audience for watching the video.
Thank you, Saurabh.